So I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Sony Google TV or your Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. Now, let's say you don't have your phone, you also don't have a remote control, and you just want to factory reset your TV. So to do that, you're gonna need to get close to the TV. So I'm just gonna do exactly that. Now, there's a button at the bottom of the TV. Okay, there's one button there. So you need to get hold of that button. And then what you want to do is unplug the TV from power first. Now, you first need to unplug it. And once it's unplugged, you want to go ahead and press and hold that button at the bottom of the TV. And you want to hold, as you're holding it, you want to go ahead and plug the TV back to power. Okay, so the TV is unplugged now. So press and hold. And as I'm holding that button, I'll plug the TV back in and then just keep holding until I see the Samsung logo. I mean, the Sony logo. So just keep holding. Keep holding. And now when I see the Sony logo, I can now let go. And I have successfully hard reset my Sony TV. So you can see it's now erasing everything and it will take me back to the original setup screen.